Ever feel like your money just vanishes? Like you blink and your paycheck is gone, leaving you wondering where it all went? You're not alone. The world of personal finance can feel like a tangled mess of confusing jargon. But what if I told you there's a simple, powerful secret weapon to control your financial future? Today, we're unlocking the magic of the 50-30-20 rule for financial freedom. This isn't just another budgeting method. It's a clear, actionable framework to transform your money relationship, build wealth, and find peace of mind. At its core, the 50-30-20 rule is beautifully simple. 50% for your needs, 30% for your wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. That's it. No complex algorithms, no endless tracking, just 3 buckets to guide your spending and saving. Let's start with the biggest slice. 50% for your needs. Think of this as your financial bedrock. These are non-negotiable essentials: rent, utilities, groceries, essential healthcare, and reliable transportation. This isn't about luxury, it's about survival and stability. If you can't cover these basics, everything's shaky. By dedicating half your income to needs, you ensure basic security first. It's like building a solid foundation. Before fancy decor, build the foundation. A common trap: letting wants sneak into the needs category. Do you need that premium streaming service or want it? Be honest. This 50% is for bare necessities. Next up, the fun part: 30% for your wants. This is where life gets a little more colorful. Wants are non-essentials: streaming, dining out, new gadgets, vacations, hobbies, even that daily fancy coffee. Some people hear budgeting and think it means cutting out all joy. Not with the 50-30-20 rule. This 30% bucket is your permission slip to enjoy life, guilt-free. It's about mindful indulgence, not deprivation. Imagine Penny. Impulsive buys led to guilt. The 30% bucket changes everything. Now, Penny knows exactly how much fun money is available. When it's gone, but the spending was intentional. This balance is crucial for long-term adherence. If your budget feels too restrictive, you're more likely to abandon it. Finally, the most impactful slice: 20% for savings and debt repayment. This is where true financial freedom is forged. This 20% is a priority, dedicated to building your future and shedding the burden of past financial decisions. It covers emergency funds, your crucial safety net for unexpected costs, and tackling high-interest debt, like credit cards or student loans, and of course, investing for your retirement. The theoretical power here lies in automation and compounding. Set up automatic transfers directly from your paycheck. This set it and forget it method truly works. By prioritizing this 20% before you even see the money, you ensure consistent progress. Think of it like planting a seed. Small, consistent effort allows that seed to grow into a mighty tree. It's not about how much you start with, but that you start and stay consistent. Leverage compounding. Let's look at Sticker Sam. Sam used to just spend whatever came in, then panic when bills piled up. Sam felt trapped. But then Sam discovered the 50-30-20 rule. Tracking income and expenses was a real eye-opener. Then Sam started allocating 50% for rent, groceries, and utilities, 30% for Sam's beloved streaming services and takeout, and that crucial 20%, it went straight to paying down a nagging credit card debt and building a small emergency fund. It wasn't always easy, especially at first. Sometimes Sam had to say no to an impulse buy. But seeing that debt shrink and the savings grow, that was pure motivation. Financial freedom isn't about millions overnight. It was about making consistent, smart decisions, one paycheck at a time. Now, here's a crucial theoretical point. While the 50-30-20 rule is a fantastic starting point, it's not a rigid law. Everyone has different financial goals and life circumstances. Maybe your rent is super high and your needs are closer to 60%. That's okay. The key is to understand the spirit of the rule. Prioritize needs, be mindful of wants, and consistently invest in your future. It's a guideline, a powerful mental model that you can tweak to fit your unique financial landscape. The goal is to create a budget that works for you, not against you. So, are you ready to take control? The 50-30-20 rule is your first step. It's simple, effective, and incredibly empowering. If this video helped you understand the 50-30-20 rule, please give it a thumbs up. It helps us reach more people who need these simple financial insights.